This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to delete a credit card from eBay. Managing your payment information is an important part of online shopping, and sometimes you need to update or remove a credit card for various reasons. Whether you're replacing an old card or just want to ensure your payment methods are up to date, I'll guide you through the process in a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to ebay.com. This is where we'll start our journey. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't done so yet, click on the Sign In button and enter your credentials. It's crucial to be logged in so you can access your personal settings. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the top left-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile name or a drop-down menu icon. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. This menu is your gateway to all of your account options and settings, so it's a good spot to familiarize yourself with if you haven't already. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Account Settings. Click on it and you'll be redirected to a new page. This page is where you can manage everything from your personal information to your privacy settings. For today, however, our focus will be on payment information, so let's continue. Within the account settings, look for a section titled Payment Information. Under this section, you should find a link or button that says Payments. Click on it, and this will take you to a detailed page displaying all the payment methods you currently have on file with eBay. Now, you'll see a list of all your stored payment methods. Find the credit card that you wish to delete. It's always a good idea to double-check the card details to ensure you're removing the correct one. Once you've identified the right card, you'll see an option to remove it. Click on Remove to proceed. A confirmation message might pop up to ensure that you really want to remove this card. Confirm your choice, and the card will be deleted from your account. And that's it. You've successfully removed a credit card from your eBay account. Remember, keeping your payment methods current and removing outdated or unused cards is a good practice for security and convenience. If you ever need to add a new card, you can do so from the same Payments section, ensuring your shopping experience remains seamless. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy shopping on eBay!